place the cartridge in the tray as shown. And gently push to close the cartridge holder. Press play to start RNA extraction. At the end of 20 minutes, the device will beep and eject the cartridge holder automatically. Gently pull out the door, remove the cartridge, and place it on the cartridge stand. 100 to 150 microliter of elute containing purified RNA will be collected in the elute chamber of the cartridge. Open the ECT and using the transfer pipette, pierce the seal of the elute chamber to collect the elute. And transfer to the ECT. Discard the transfer pipette and cartridge. Cap the ECT and proceed to run the RT-PCR reaction. Switch on the analyzer. Enter the login details. The main screen will display the bays available for testing. Select a bay and choose Target Profile from the test menu. Fill in the patient details. And press Start Test. The chip tray will automatically eject and the machine will prompt to load the sample. Open a pouch of the TrueNat chip-based micro-PCR test. Pull out the chip from the sleeve by holding the edges. Gently place it on the chip tray by aligning it in the slot provided. Open the Mastermix tube, discard the stopper, and place the tube in the microtube stand. Attach the microtip to the single push pipette. Transfer 6 microliter of the elute from the ECT into the Mastermix tube as shown. Allow the Mastermix to stand for 30 seconds to get a clear solution. After 30 seconds, transfer the elute from the Mastermix tube to the white reaction well of the chip. Discard the microtip using the auto ejector in the pipette. Click Yes on the device screen to start the test. Discard the Mastermix tube. The real-time amplification curve and run status can be viewed during the test by clicking Optical on the screen. The PCR reaction will be completed in 35 minutes. Once the reaction is complete, the report can be viewed directly from the main screen. Press the print option to print the report page via the Bluetooth-enabled TrueLab Micro PCR printer. Open the chip tray and discard the used chip immediately after the reaction. Remaining elute can be used to conduct follow-on tests on new disease-specific chips without the need to re-extract the patient's sample. After completion of 50 extractions, the TruePrep Auto V2 device will prompt the user to change the reagent